Hello, I'm Ivy Marie Lim, Feng Shui consultant. Now let's create a home and life you love. I'm going to talk about the Chinese New Year and the year of the fire rooster and just what does it mean for you. In fact, many Eastern cultures celebrate and take into account the lunar year, which is based on the cycles of the moon, as opposed to the solar calendar, which is based on the cycles of the sun. And even if you don't celebrate, maybe you can consider it because, hey, who doesn't want another reason to celebrate and another chance at a new year? The Lunar New Year comes at a great time because it's when January New Year resolutions statistically falter or flop altogether. So if this sounds like you, well then here is some great info on this Lunar New Year. Most of us are familiar with the zodiac signs and our horoscopes. Chinese astrology is based on the 12-year cycle and on animal characteristics. 2017 is the year of the rooster and the fire element, so it's also known as the year of the red rooster or fire rooster. Now, a rooster's characteristic is quite well known, as this is the animal that gives the wake-up call. So this year, you may experience a stronger shift to help push you towards making much needed changes in your life right now. So definitely, it's a great year to go with that flow. But the rooster is also a very practical, hardworking, ethical animal. Definitely the elements of careful planning and mapping out your directions are key. Unlike last year, which was the year of the monkey, where the energy was more impulsive and spontaneous. Fire, by its very nature, is the element associated with brilliance, warmth, passion, and spark. So now we have a diligent, enthusiastic rooster combined with fiery characteristics, and it promises an innovative and fruitful new year. This is a year of achievements and to get things done. So if you're postponing any project, the red rooster on fire is all the energy you need to get things accomplished. The rooster is also self-assured, loves beauty and perfection, sometimes a bit vain. Use that energy positively to show off your best side and your best work. What to watch out for? A red rooster is diligent, plus fire can also lead to impatience and the need to get it all done now. So watch out for that. This year, we will do better by staying focused, centered, and practical. Well, I hope that puts a new spring into your step as we finish the first month of 2017 and entering into a new lunar year. If you have any questions on your particular animal sign or how Feng Shui can help you reach your goals, feel free to reach out to me.